Chicken farm in southeast Arkansas is turning into a nasty neighbor. It's a farm in Cleveland County where neighbors are sharing evidence of improperly dumped carcasses and contaminated water. And those neighbors are frustrated, trying to get their complaints heard. THV 11 investigates. Tanya Motorzitsky tried to help and shares more on what she learned.
They don't take care of them. They don't clean them.
It's going to take the value of our property down.
Residents like Janet Kimsey say one in particular off Highway 63 with a Tyson chicken sign outside is causing problems. Residents share these pictures with me from last month that show dead goats on the property line, dead chickens, and what neighboring farmer owners say is sludge with E. coli and other parasites coming from the chicken farm where dead chickens are stored and getting into the Kissy Creek that flows into the Saline River.
When it rains, that water goes down the ditches, down in front of my house.
But the smell, she says, is unlike any other chicken farm she's been around.
Summertime, it's terrible. You go back to the Dollar General during the summertime, you can't hardly stay in there.
I'm at the farm that everyone in the community is complaining about. There's a Tyson sign in front. About to knock on the door and see what they say or if they answer. They answered, but there was a language barrier. So we looked into who owns the farm now and what's being done. The sign out front reads Tina Farms LLC Tyson. On the Arkansas Secretary of State's website, it says Tina Farms is not licensed. They tell me the previous owner of the farm had their license revoked in January of 2024 because they did not pay their franchise fees. We found a complaint filed with the Arkansas Division of Environmental Quality. It says, quote, the owners of this chicken farm are nasty and very neglectful. The complaint goes on to say they leave dead chickens in the shed until there is black liquid running from them. There's no environmental protectors. Dead trees are everywhere. We talked to the department. They say a complaint like that likely got pushed to the State Department of Agriculture. Tonight, the message residents have for city, county, and state leaders is loud and clear.
Chicken houses, we don't really want them. They're going to be in our front yard.